And joined with us today is Dr. Kuna from Kuna and Associates. Thank you so much for coming on the show today.
Well, thank you for having me, Courtney.
So we have a ton of excellent topics all the time, but
Yes.
Today we are going to talk about couples therapy.
You know, and it's a complex issue, but yet sometimes you could simplify it in certain ways. So say, for example, let's start out with a couple's problem. Somebody wakes up on a Saturday morning, he has some time off, say, for example, and says, you know, I'm going to take my family today to the local apple orchard. They're having a costume parade. It'll be fun. There's going to be a lot of people there. So I think we'll do this nice community event. And he tells his wife, and she says, not on your life. Well, I don't even know where you came up with that. We're going to my sister's house. It's her birthday, and we're going to spend the whole day. We're there with the cousins. You know, and now we have an argument.
He forgot the birthday.
You forgot the birthday. You forgot my family. You want us to be out with strangers. I don't even know who. And the idea is, what just happened? Well, is they don't spend time together? Is just the fact that, well, actually we live in two different worlds, or I never get my way, you always get your way? And if you think about it, there was a theorist called Bronfenbrenner, but that's not important now. What is important is that Bronfenbrenner had this very interesting theory called we can call it the circles of psychology. He had another name for it.
Okay.
But the very center is the ion, the two significant people, and then the family circle, and then a community circle. And when you have, he had a macro circle too. But people live psychologically in their circles, and that's very important to realize. When you get in an argument with your significant other, it could be because you've been spending a lot of time in one of these psychological circles. So what would that mean, for example? Well, for example, what could happen is he could spend more time in the family circle with her. She could spend more time in the community circle with him. What is a community circle? Community circle could be if you're in recovery, you can go to AA, go to work, go to church. Family circles, your cousins, your siblings, and things like that. And the idea is that when you could spend time in each other's circle and find out what's really going on in that other person's life, and give it a chance, give it an opportunity. You could use a coin flip and say, you know what, you're right. Why don't we go and spend time with the family circle this weekend? Next weekend we'll go and do something in the community circle.
That makes sense. It's compromise.
Compromise. You know, work it out together and realize it's not because of this person being oppositional or being obstinate. It's just that you spend so much time in the community circle. You could even make a chart, not to go on and on, but you could even make a chart and graph during the week. How many hours did you spend in community, church, family, friends? How much hours did you spend with your family, maybe eating or going out in the yard? How much did you spend with the one-on-one? And hit the button at the end of the week.
Yeah.
And see what that chart looks like. You might be amazed.
That'd be a great exercise. And for our viewers, who want to learn more about the exercise, where can they go, Dr. Kuna?
They could certainly call me at 570-961-3361 or visit us on the web at drjohngkuna.com.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me, Courtney.